Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can send Bitcoin safely from MoonPay to another wallet. So yeah, the first thing that you will have to do is open your MoonPay, and once you're here, you should make sure that you've already created your profile, you've already verified your account and activated your portfolio for smooth transactions, and so that you will be able to actually see all of its features. So here, if you do have that feature, you will just have to click send crypto or something similar to that, and once you see send crypto, you will just have to pick or select Bitcoin, and then basically you will just have to paste the recipient wallet address or scan QR code, and of course you will have to double check carefully, and then after that you will enter the amount and review the fees and network confirmation time and complete any identity verification if prompted. And after all that, you will just have to tap confirm and wait for the blockchain confirmation. And yeah, again, keep in mind that you should always double check addresses because Bitcoin transactions cannot be reversed. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.